Silay na tayo. Time check 12:09. Ayos lang. May 1 hour pa tayo or halos 50 minutes na maghintay. Tama na rin yung makaidlip. Galing akong bike ride kanina. Kasama natin yung mga tropa natin sa MTB. Napunta kami sa ibang side ng Qatar naman. Dito mabuhangin, doon mabato sa Zikrit. Yan. Mukhang ako pa yata mauuna ngayon. Yung mga nakita tayong kakilala na napabalik na, siguro nag-overnight dito. Pero mga ngayon pa lang sila babalik. Napasarap yung tambay. Daming tao. Yung mga buggy. Allah. Allah. Fiesta. Fiesta. Ito tayo.
Yes, manipis siya.
Oo, kasi parang
Kaya yung kalansing, yun yung sinasabi ko sa kanya.
Ito yun, pag putok ng combustion mo, sina-absorb niya yung tunog. Eh pag nagpalit ka ng header spray, lata na yun. Kaya puputok-putok talaga.
Yun yung sinabi ko sa
Usapang
kanya.
piyesa na naman to, Brad. Tuwing nagpupunta ako lagi dito, lagi usapang piyesa na lang ha.
Sabi ko sa kanya,
Either may nasisira o may...
kasi nga, lalagatik talaga yan.
Ito yung mga kasama namin.
Pag nagbomba ako,
Sila, ayan. Mga puti. May ibang lahi. Ayan, mukhang malakasan to. Mga ano kami, mga yagit kami rito. Bronco, ayan. FJ Cruiser, Jeepney, Ford, Raptor, Pathfinder, Armada.
Pag di sa gumagana ng maayos,
Kami, dalawang Safari boys ang kasama ko.
pwedeng
Si Black Safari, tsaka si Gold Safari.
sa akin, wala nang sa kanya lang.
Ayun, Balahao number 1.
Have a retake here.
Yan na, nailabas na si Armada ng Matiwasay. So,
Call it to the marshals if you got the guys down from this small climb. Just get them in the flat to join the end of the convoy and we will continue making another climb. Super, we're just checking the tire pressure on the Armada. Drop to 11.
maganda yung ganitong ano. As in, walang nauuna. Hintay lahat. Sila, yung mga nandoon sa side, kabilang side. Sa kabilang side lang sila. Hintay sila doon. Tapos hindi mag-shuffle yung linya. Kung pang ilan si Armada, yun pa rin yung posisyon niya. Walang uuna. Sana sa bike ganyan din. Hindi na kami pinaakyat doon sa soft. Sayang.
Call it to the marshals to fuel past the crossovers. So far so good. question. Should I cross to the right? Yeah, I think they're doing fine. It's very risky. The traffic is not much. Let's get some marshals on the right side of the convoy. And we have a lot of cars coming up along us and very tied up to the convoy. Yeah, the argument for going to the right is to get out of the traffic, which is still coming. I'll go to make a U-turn and go to the area where we need to go. I'll pull up the convoy a little bit. After the black Land Cruiser is coming beside you, you can start turn to the right side. I'll still use the same technique, slowly. Traffic is better now. Roger that. I'm getting there, but there are some cars coming from the far right. The Ram and the Cruiser. Marshals, does we have any traffic after the Ram? I have 4-5 cars just next to you, but else after that it's clear. There's some coming from Sea Line direction right now. There's about 4 or 5 cars coming from Sea Line direction, but they're, I'd say, a kilometer behind.
Ang dami. Sobrang dami namin. Nagkokos na kami ng traffic kasi kapag gumanyan, yan, luminya na kami ng pahalang. Mahaharangan na yung daanan kasi may mga iba ring pumapasok. Baka maging concern pa ng safety. Takbo natin ngayon 60. Yan na, patay si Range Rover, naka street tire.
We have a pop out. Do you copy? Yes, Habibi, I copy. I will bring the convoy and come back. Thank you. One cut and the rim.
Papunta mo kagad din pa rin, di. Hindi ba pwede hanginan nyo?
Hindi na. Tire old, maybe.
Spare tire na lang yan. Derail. Ay, sumabog. May sabog oh. Ayan oh.
Kailangan mo na kagad para
Hindi, sabog oh.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
I-jack mo na pare.
This one old na.
Yeah.
Because I'm not using for off-road very long time. I use another one.
Uh-huh. That's okay.
Dapat tayo muna
Happens. Yung pala? Yung pala? Yeah. He'll come back and then we'll send them on. And yeah, I'll stick around and help out. Yeah. How many of you guys are together?
The convoy continue. Diretso na yung convoy, ano? Yung convoy diretso na. Hindi. Go pa kabila tayo. Pero yung convoy diretso na. Diretso ko na. Diretso na yun.
Napalitan na namin yung gulong na sumabog. Segundo lang. Tanga, 4 kami.
Impressive. Those guys know what they're doing. I think it was a gadget show. They did it on purpose, right? Just to show off. Pre, sabi galit, 2 rides, automatic senior. Puta gina. Sabi si Gilly, pre, these 5 guys, ha?
Mas matagal pa yung nabalaho kaysa nagpalit tayo ng gulong ah. Lagi tayong pinagdadamutan ha.
Let's go. Just meron ako dito isa spare. Here's a tire. Drop the old one off, put the new one on, and they're back on the road.
Brad, so lumalabas pala, mas matagal mag-deflate kaysa magpalit ng gulong.
Oo, wala pa yata. Ilang minuto lang ba yung palit natin?
Ito na ba yung pinakamalapit sa side drive na ma-experience natin ngayon?
Oo, ito lang.
Uy, sarap.
Napunit yung gulong, no? Punit yung gulong? Yes, sir. Punit ang gulong mo. Chris? Chris, slow down a little bit to close gaps in the convoy.
Kasalanan.
Roger that. Chris Khaled, give me a green line to carry on, please. Not yet. Habibi, I'm going to take this chain from the other side, from the left side. Sign to hold out the window saying go faster, go faster. Okay, Khaled, okay to move. Thank you, Habibi.
Time check is 3:45. At tayo ay hala, malapit na tayo pala. Siguro mga ano na lang. Siguro mga ano to, 80% or 85. Nabitin, kaya ano, napa 4 wheel.
Caleb, can you let me know what is the last car? I will let you know. Yep. I got the last line on my dash cam, but then I realized it's not the best quality, so I'll take it with the phone. Added to the convoy, there is one black Prado coming facing you on the left. I had a black Prado behind me, and I told him not to join the convoy. Maybe it is the same. I guess he is the same. He is just coming and squeezed himself in between the convoy.
Prado talaga, mabagal. Naiipit kami lahat.
More that the white Prado. I'm waving at him like crazy. Say hi. Chris, we gotta figure out a way to kill that ESC. Just hold the button and you kill it until it re-engages again by itself and you don't know when. Yeah, it's so helpful. There is a way, but that way takes all your modes away as well.
Motorway as well.
That's no good. Because I don't want to get rid of my bar mode. Right now we need to find a way to learn that white Prado where his accelerator is. Yeah, I know what you mean. He was the one also having the most struggle on climbs. But he stops driving. I don't know what signal to use to him. I'm not sure if he's looking at them.
Ha! Ahon. Eto na, gusto ko ahon.
Chris, slow down. Ahmed is just talking to the white Prado. Roger that, Habib. Nababagalan sila dyan sa Prado kaya tinagpinahinto. Pilipino! Nababagalan kasi nalalaglag tayo sa linya dahil din sa kanya.
Na. Ito, sunset. Wala, ang layo namin. Grabe, sobrang layo natin.
Wala tayong magagawa sa Prado na yan. What to do? you guess which car it is creating the gap? Does it begin with a P? Close, you're close. To the marshals, I'm merging with the main highway. I don't know about you. Low voltage of the highway. We are somewhere behind you.
Yan na, magagabi na. Mukhang sakto doon pagdating natin. Time check is 4:35. Pero madilim na ah. Yan na kami sa camp spot. Siyempre ang formation. Mayroon pang nag-guide dyan. Oh, ha? Yes! Ganda na tong spot na to. Buti ni-record ko. Ni-record ko. Pupuntahan ko to ulit. Mas malayo pa to kaysa sa Three Kings. Mas malayo pa to sa pinagkakampingan. Tapos wala pang tao.
Baliktarin mo, ang pangit naman.
Frequency mode.
Night ride sa gabi.
A lot of cars left on the beach. I'm not sure how this is organized. Nick, see you on the radio? Sasha is going, hold on.
Nick, are you following the convoy?
Party to party.
Nick seems to be out of his car.
Party to party. Well, sama mo yung malalakas.
Just a minute, we have one jeep have problem. Dito tayo, para iwas tayo sa ano, tara. But I'm not moving, as you can see, I'm just doing my ass. Sa halid. Huwag tayo sumunod doon kay Prado. Mababalahaw tayo ng mababalahaw doon.
Seating arrangement natin. Nasa harap natin si Black Safari. Sa likod natin si Xterra. Sa harap natin si Xterra.
Sabay sa atin na anim na sasakyan, no? Sa gilid, yung kanan na to. Hindi naman to kasama sa convoy.
Delikado yan, sisingit niya sa likod ko. Ang laki ng ano ko eh, ng gap eh.
Marshal, the last position. Some cars on the side, I don't see them. All still in one single line, which is good, but they are passing a few cars that were on the right. Roger that.
Sitwasyon ng gas natin ngayon, dalawa lang ang nabawas. Mukhang maganda yung ruta ng daanan natin.
We have a major gap here. Yeah, there are two convoys, and yeah, the rear of the convoy totally separated from the convoy. So, Kyle, did you go right or left? Right. Back towards you with my high beams on, so that's me coming down. Copy that. Thank you, Chris. Hold there, and I'll bring the convoy. I'm turning around. I'm stopping, watching the four colors on my right. Yeah, okay, I've got the convoy and we're catching up. I will seize the opportunity for an HL break. Nada, Caleb? Everyone's following? Thank you.
May pajero na dito sa likod ko eh. Sumingit sa pagitan namin ni Reggie.
Kasama sa convoy yan?
Hindi ko lang alam eh. Hindi ko rin sure kung pajero to. Basta biglang pumasok eh.
Takbo natin ngayon, 60.
12 kilometers. But I've got a about halfway between the empty and the quarter. We'll come pull you out when you need to, Richard. Thank you very much. It's very kind offer. I have about 7/8 of a tank right now. My plan is to drive underneath the turbos.
Time check, 7:47. Weather check, 28 degrees. Malamig na. Pwede na ulit mag-camping at mag-overnight.
Wala area na pasukan nila.
Sayang, walang trail.
Chris, I made the loop and I took the guys behind me. Can you please send the rest of the convoy behind them? Oh, it's already done. Thank you, Habibi.
Need ba 4x4 dito?
Mapipilitan na talaga umakyat sa spot na yan kasi hindi na sila nakakanan eh.
Oo, wala. Hindi na nakakanan dun sa ano.
Paano agad sila?
Yung sa kanan na malambot. Sa baba niya dinahan, sa kanan yung malambot na area. Mag-four-wheel kayo. How's it going for you, Nix? We're just overtaking the convoy.
So dito na kami sa inflation area. Palabas na. Bro, salamat. Ayan, dito na lang tayo. Gabi na. Paalam.